Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies a future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target, because it is time. One target, one mission. designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Down to our last but not the least match for our triple Saturday header volleyball action only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Again, makakasama niyo po ako, Rick Puerta, and beside me is our newest commentator for our volleyball action. It's UG Nueva na makakasama natin all throughout this season.
Thank you for that, Rick. Actually, again, my name is Eugene Nueva. This is my first time actually to be a commentator on Bucal Season 6 men's and women's volleyball. But actually, don't worry because this game will be pretty intense and also on fire. But I'm ready for that action.
Yan, I'm sure everyone is excited between this match kasi after this, makikilala na natin kung sino ang makakaharap dito ng UNC ground sa ating championship. So tutok lamang only on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Ayan, talagang UNC or rather NCF Tigers prepared for this, and on the other side of court, CBSUA Buffaloes. Talaga namang first time sumali dito sa Bucal Season 6. So I'm sure ano kaya ang ipapakita pa dito. And I'm sure ready din dito ang ating CBSUA Buffaloes to conquer the Bucal stage.
So I guess this NCF was unbeatable pa.
Yes.
And of course, they're undefeated.
Yes.
So let's see for this game kung sino makakakuha ng panalo. And of course, on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes, the youth actually they're striving to get their first.
Ayan, as I've mentioned earlier, this is very crucial for both teams knowing na this is the semifinals round. So kung kanino mapupunta ang panalo, yun ang makakaharap ng Greyhounds para sa ating championship. Ayan. As you can see on your screen, NCF Tigers warming up. Getting ready on this clash against the CBSUA Buffalo. So again, sa mga nandito pa po sa loob ng ating covered court, thank you so much for your unending support. And of course, sa ating live audiences sa live coverage ng Oragon Sports TV, thank you so much for your support and happy viewing. Isang game pa po ngayong gabi and let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang panalong ito. Yes, Yuji.
Okay, for that, I'm really excited also to see these both teams, again, kung sino ang makakakuha ng first set. And by this, the NCF Tigers, again, what I said earlier, that they're undefeated pa. So, for this game, titingnan natin if they renowned or kung bakit tinatawag natin, madedepensahan nila ang kanilang trono. When it comes to naman CBSUA's Buffaloes, actually, they're striving naman to get this win.
Ayan, and to hear an update on the side of the NCF Tigers, let's call our courtside reporter, Dylan. Hi, Dylan. What's your update there?
Hello, Bicol Lanja. This is Bucal, Season 6 sa Women's Volleyball-Semi-Finals. I am Dylan Talagtag at ako maghahatid sa inyo ng updates on the side of the NCF Lady Tigers. We can feel here at the NCF covered court the Tiger spirit. And the Lady Tigers are now ready to amaze us once again with their undeniable strength and determination. According pa kay Coach Parley, isa sa advantage ng NCF team ay ang kanilang experiences at they are 101% prepared for this matchup. Ayon pa kay Coach Parley, kumpiyansa siya sa abilidad ng mga players dahil lahat sila ay may abilidad sa loob. Lahat sila ay may maibubuga sa loob ng court. Will they continue to be the undefeated team or will the CBSUA Lady Buffaloes will give them their first defeat? Yan ang aabangan natin dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
And thank you so much, Dylan, for that update. So yun nga, NCF Tigers still undefeated and ready to take on the battle against CBSUA Buffaloes, knowing na sila yung defending champion in this league. So a very, a little bit of pressure on their side. Because again, CBSUA talagang maganda din dito ang ipinakita during their eliminations up until this crucial game or crucial time. Ano pa kayang paghahandaan dito ng CBSUA Buffaloes para sa araw na ito?
Actually, sa NCF, I heard that they're going to the National Prisaa 2025.
Yes.
Actually, sabi nga ni Dylan kanina na their strength is their experiences. Kaya naman their hard work and passion is unrecognizable. So let's hear also an update on the side of CBSUA Buffaloes. Precious, take it away.
Maraming salamat, Rick and Yuji. A high-striking evening once again, Bicol Lancia. This is the League of Creating Future Champions, where challenge remains on. Down to our last game tonight, we have here the battle against the NCF Lady Tigers versus the CBSUA Lady Buffaloes. During the huddle, the Lady Buffaloes filled one another with burning motivation to maintain their chemistry as a team. According to Silvestre, they must read the opponent's set of tactics and sustain the energy. This is Precious Garcia, your courtside correspondent, all the way from the side of CBSUA Lady Buffaloes via Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you for that, Precious. And for the CBSUA Buffaloes, I guess, and I see for this that grabe din yung pag-prepared nila for this game, and sabi nga ni Coach, they're prepared for the good communication and tactics for this game.
So, a match to watch para dito sa ating nahuhuling laro dito sa Bucal Season 6. As you can see on our screen, CBSUA Buffaloes warming up and getting ready to face the defending champion NCF Tigers. So when we come back, magsisimula ng ating first set only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and
We are back right now. Again, we are live at Aragon Sports TV at Bucal. And we going to start now by a little minute. So, yeah.
On your screen, presenting the first 6 on the side of NCF Tigers. Same faces para dito si NCF Tigers. We have their team captain, Abitria, Servidad, Kutitob, Santos, Antang, and Pipino with their libero, Valdez, and Nacion. And on the other side of things, first 6 on the side of CBSUA Buffaloes. We have jersey number 5, Bermilio, jersey number 1, Sendico, and jersey number 16, Labay, together with jersey number 8. And jersey number 2 on their side. So, first set, magsisimula na between these two teams. So, first service will go on the side of NCF Tigers. Kutitob stepping on that service line to serve the ball. Again, thank you so much for all our live viewers sa Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and of course sa Bucal Facebook page. Thank you so much for your support. Again, Kutitob on deck to serve.
What on serve?
Free ball will be given on the side of NCF Kutito. Back set to Servidad. And the first point will go on the side of their team with that powerful down the line hit.
Ganda agad ang pinakita doon ng setter with the good connections with the opposites.
Yes. Again, Kutitob on deck to serve for the Lady Tigers. Poor first ball.
On the net, on the CBSUA Buffaloes. Point for the NCF.
2 straight points on the side of Tigers. Again, Kutitob. Good serve, but this time, CBSUA is setting up that ball. Servidad will try again and scoring again on the side of their team. Let's take a look one more time for our instant replay. Servidad finding that end line for their third point dito sa ating set number 1. Now, what would be the adjustment on the side of CBSUA dahil nakakatatlong sunod-sunod na puntos na itong NCF Tigers. Jersey number 7 with that free ball, Kutitob. Combination play and Abitria flying and scoring on the side of Tigers.
Yan talaga yung mga abangan natin na this game. So, mga combinations play of the NCF and also for the CBSUA Buffaloes.
Yeah, they need to have a better first ball if they want to execute a better play. That's why nakikita natin medyo hirap ditong magkaroon ng play ang CBSUA because of their poor reception.
And good serve also from the side of the NCF, and it was an ace.
Yes.
Good serve again. Pero nagawa ng paraan actually ng CBSUA on this side naman. From the quick. Buhay pa rin ang bola.
Abitria will try and Abitria will score. Tansyado ang court para dito kay Abitria and 6 straight points. Wow, what a run on the side of the NCF Tigers.
Pero it was a pretty sure that this game, una pa lang, so medyo malamig pa actually ang mga players sa side ng CBSUA and also for the NCF with a good ace and serve from the side of the NCF.
Yes. And still, si Cotito pa din ang nasa service line on the side of NCF. CBSUA badly needs a side out to stop the momentum on the side of the NCF.
Good serve again. Pero nagawa ng paraan ng CBSUA Buffaloes.
Cotito, back set to Servidad. Great defense on the side of CBSUA. Antang, and now Valdez will give up a free ball on the side of the CBSUA.
Regalo!
Yes. Too tight for that set. That's why Pepino take advantage on that regalo para sa kanilang kupunan. 8-0 run.
Medyo malaking lamang-lamang ang NCF this time. It's an out. Point to NCF side. So, ang gagawin talaga this ng CBSUA is have a good receive and good connections with the setter and gawa talaga ng paraan lahat ng binibigay kumbaga ng setter.
Yes, and with that, timeout was called on the side of their team. Let's see after this timeout kung ano yung magiging adjustment on the side of their team, knowing na 9-0 na ang ating score sa set number 1. What a really good start on the side of NCF. They really need to defend, or they really want to defend their title dito sa Bucal. And I'm sure CBSUA then, they want to step up big time. And of course, ipakilala yung school nila dito sa Bucal. Let's see, after that timeout, kung makakaroon na ba ng unang puntos itong ating CBSUA Buffaloes. Again, on deck to serve, we have Cotito.
Good receive on the side of the CBSUA.
Soft touch, ball is still alive. Antang will give up a free ball. Chance for the Buffaloes to score. Jersey number 2 with an attack. Andon si Valdez and now setting up Abitria. Wow, another sharp cross-court hit. Let's take a look on that instant replay. And with that, Kisha Abitria. 1 point ang i-contribute on their side. Another good serve. And a free ball UG on the side of NCF. Combination play.
Combination play.
Yun yung sinasabi mo dito kanina, dapat nating abangan yung mga combination plays on the side of NCF because they are known for that.
Actually, their communications inside of this hard court is grabe.
Yes.
Pero on the side naman ng CBSU, I think they need to strive kasi 11-0 ang lamang dito.
Dagdagan pa ng isa with that service ace. 12-0. Wow. NCF showing prowess inside this volleyball court. Again, nabanggit mo rin dito kanina, Yuji, on the side of CBSUA na baka malamig pa nga because of first set jitters. Nagsisimula pa lamang tayo. But again, as this game progresses, they really need to double their effort if they want to at least have a point para dito sa ating unang set. Another free ball on the side of NCF. Opportunity para kay Kisha to spike that one. Great.
With a good duck on the back.
But this time,
inawian na Abitria.
What a beautiful attack coming from Abitria, their team captain and the best player of the game on their previous match. Wow, this versatile player on the side of their team. A player to look out or to watch out on the side of the Tigers. Cotito staying on that deck to serve.
With a good serve, and in the result, it was an ace. Grabe ang lamang ng NCF this time, and maraming hahabulin kumbaga ang CBSUA Buffaloes. But I'm pretty sure naman na gagalingan din naman nila.
Yes. And another service ace. On the side of NCF, 15-0 is our score. Again, kanina pa natin binabanggit na CBSUA Buffaloes, they need a one good first ball for them to execute a play. Another opportunity or chance ball on the side of Tigers. Abitria, soft touch. Andon si jersey number 8. Jersey number 12 setting up jersey number 2. Valdez with that dig. Servidad with that spike. The ball or the rally continues. Ball is still alive though. Keisha.
And it was a good spike and connections between the setter.
Wow. What a spike. What a down the line hit coming from Abitria on that last sequence. 16-0 is our score. Jersey number 8 setting up jersey number 2. And this time, nakakuha na nga ng unang puntos. Courtesy of jersey number 2 on that last sequence. A much needed side out on the side of Buffaloes.
Serving jersey number 2. Okay. Good receive. Good set.
And good spike on the side of NCF. Wow, NCF bigay todo para dito sa ating semifinal round. Pepino to serve. Good serve. And chance ball para sa NCF. But too strong para doon sa last play na yon on the side of the CBSUA.
Okay, serving again on the side of the NCF Tiger jersey number 7. It was a good serve. It was an ace.
Another service ace on the side of NCF. Now, 19-1 is our score. NCF clearly dominating this first set. Pepino to serve. Service error. So, puntos ibibigay on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. 19-2 UG on our scoreboard. NCF looking good for this first set.
Ang laki nga talaga ng kalamangan ngayon ng NCF Tigers. So, the CBSUA actually, they need na makapuntos ulit.
Yes.
Para mapantayan, I guess, this set. It was a good block on the side of the NCF.
Courtesy of Santos. Payong. Napayungan yung attack ngayon on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. And with that, 5 more points to secure this set number 1 on the side of the NCF. Abitria on deck to serve.
It's an ace. And of course, Abitria again to serve.
One more time for Abitria. Straight to the net. So puntos will be given on the side of Buffaloes. 21-3 is our score.
Serving jersey number 4 on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. So, good receive on the NCF. Quick play on the middle. And actually a good connections with the center and middle and on the NCF side.
What a game. What a quick hit play. Servidad with a jump serve. Now, Buffalo's on the attack. Free ball will be given on the side of NCF. Cotito, 1-2 play. And it was good. Servidad on deck to serve. Good
Jump
serve.
Free ball again.
Abitria gets that one. Antang will spike and will score. And with that, NCF now on set point. 24-3 is our score. Servidad with that jump serve. And that's the end of our set number 1. Final score is 25-3 on your screen ang nagkaroon ng last point on the side of the NCF. We will be right back for our second quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences,
We are back again live at Oragon Sports TV and Bucal, and we are now on the second set.
Now, we have a rally here. Cotito setting up Abitria. Abitria was dug up. Ball is still alive. Long rally alert. And Santos ending that one with that quick hit. First point will go on the side of the NCF Tigers.
Let's see kung makakabawi this time or this set ang CBSUA's Buffaloes. And nakikita din naman natin that NCF have a good start.
Yes. So again, hindi pa ito tapos for both teams. So marami pang pwedeng mangyari dito sa ating laro. Now,
regalo to NCF side and it was a point.
Yes.
2-0 ang lamang ngayon. And we can see the instant replay. Wow, it was a perfect regalo on the side of the NCF.
So another good start para dito sa Tigers. Cotito, on deck to serve. Jersey number 11 setting up in the middle. Too strong on that attack, so the point will automatically go on the side of the Tigers. Kutitob again on deck to serve on the side of Tigers. Free ball will be given on the side of NCF. Cotito back set to Servidad, and Servidad delivers. And to hear an update on the side of CBSUA Buffaloes, anong gagawing adjustment dito ng kanilang kupunan to know more about their team? Precious, anong balita dyan?
Yes, Rick and Yuji, despite the leading points coming from the opponent, ay wala sa mindset ng Lady Buffaloes ang sumuko upang mapatunayan ang kanilang kaakibat na husay at talino ngayong gabi. Coach Labay constantly remind the team to adopt and perform the respective rules, kung saan ay panatilihin nila ang matalinong komunikasyon sa loob ng laro. Because as we can all witness, ay ito ang mas kinakailangan nilang pagtibayin sa mga susunod pang sets. Because there's still a lot momentum to see. Kaya patuloy nating pakatutukan ang pagbawi ng ating Lady Buffaloes. That's all for now. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Yuji.
Thank you for that, Precious. And honestly, sabi mo nga, walang susuko sa laban na to or sa set na to. So, this CBSUS Buffaloes, girl or lady Buffaloes, they're actually making a good start and good connections right now. And when it comes to good communications, is nagagawa rin ng paraan.
Basta all they need to do is to do their roles sa loob ng court, because that's the important, the basic volleyball para dito sa araw na ito. And now, great point on the side of their team, jersey number 8 on deck to serve. Nashon, Kutito, now Servidad, spiking that one, and again, successful on that cross-court hit. On your screen, Servidad. Again, NCF is known for their attacking efficiency. That's why CBSUA Buffaloes need to strengthen their defense, net defense and floor defense at the same time.
Let's hear an update naman sa side ng NCF Lady Tigers. Dylan, take it away.
Thank you, Rick and Yuji. First seconds pa nga lang ng first set ay nagpakita ng gilas ang NCF Lady Tigers. The team scored straight 16 points. With their strong offense and defense, the Lady Tigers are roaring inside the court. Advice nga ni coach sa players to just enjoy the game and give their best at huwag maging complacent. At dahil nga sa pinakitang galing, talino at eagerness ay naipenalo kaagad ng NCF Lady Tigers ang first set. Reminder pa din ni coach sa players to still stick to their plan and strategy for them to win this matchup. 3 straight sets ang goal ng team for this game. Yan muna ang update dito sa sides ng NCF Lady Tigers. Tutok lang dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Dylan, for that. So no room for complacency on the side of NCF, because alam naman natin na bilog ang bola. Anything can happen inside the court. So as much as possible, you need to perform well if you want to win this match. At yun nga, napakaganda ng goal ngayon ng NCF. Natapusin ito in just 3 straight sets. So looking forward on that. 3 straight sets. But again, hindi din dito papayag itong CBSUA Buffaloes. Ilalaban nila ito para dito sa ating araw na ito. And
it was a good combination play on the side of the NCF Lady Tigers. On deck to serve again, Santos. What a service is on the side of the NCF Lady Tigers. So dapat the receive by the side of the CBSUA is maging kumbaga table para they have a good spike.
But on that last sequence, attack error para dito sa CBSUA Buffaloes. 10-1 is our score, and still NCF, maganda ulit dito yung panimula sa ating second set. Now jersey number 8 setting up her teammates and getting a point from that attack. Let's take a look one more time for our replay. Jersey number 8 setting up on zone 3 and delivering a score on their side.
Good receive by Antang to the setter and back set to Abitria, but it was dug on the back of jersey number 2, but it was a score.
Yes. No second ball on that save on the side of CBSUA. Sayang yon on the side of their team because buhay pa sana yung bola. Abitria to serve. Buffaloes on the attack, but attack error on the side of their team. Again, serving Abitria, but an exchange of players, substitution on the side of CBSUA. Service ace for her.
The score right now is 13-2, so malaking-laking lamang side ng NCF Tigers. So they need the CBSUA Buffaloes to have a good receive first, to have a good point.
And a point on the side of NCF for that attack coming from Servidad. So yun nga, sabi mo dito kailangan dito ng first ball on the side of CBSUA because kanina pa natin nakikita na walang plays na nagagawa ang CBSUA because of their poor first ball. So they need to adjust on that department. But point will go on the side of them for that service error coming from the NCF Tigers. Cotito, back set to Servidad. CBSUA will try and will score. Good score or good point on that last sequence on the side of CBSUA. 14-4 is our score.
Jersey number 5 serving, and right now again the score is 4-14. So kailangan talaga ng CBS karoon ng first ball again, sabi mo nga Rick, to have a good point or have a good spike between the setter and the spiker.
But unfortunately, service error was committed on their side. They need to lessen those unforced errors because they are behind by set 1 or one set, and they are behind here 15 for an hour score. Cotito setting up Antang.
Down the line hit, and it was score. Actually, sa side ng CBSUA, nakikita ko, wala sila masyadong communications for this. Dun sila parang nahihirapan para magkaroon ng first ball.
Again, they need a good communication inside the court because nagkakaroon sila ng hesitation. That's why hindi nakukuha dito yung mga second ball. Jump serve for Servidad. And service ace for NCF Tigers.
Good serve. Pero nagawan pa rin ng paraan, but it was an error on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes, and it was a score also from the side of this NCF Lady Tigers. Back to serve again, Servidad with a good jump serve. Good receive, but regalo on the side of the NCF Lady Tigers. And the score is 19-4. Malaking lamang na ang nagawa ng NCF Lady Tigers, and the CBSUA Buffaloes need to cope up with this.
Yes. Again, Servidad to serve.
Sa tulong ng net, it was a good score on the side again of the NCF Lady Tigers. Sa mga ganun na serve talaga, nakakaba. Actually, hindi mo alam if error or an ace.
Yes. And we know that the first offense is the service. That's why you need to be good on the service line. Antang.
It was a too strong, so the score is on the CBSUA Buffaloes. Deck to serve jersey number 12 on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. So let's see on this set if sino makakuha again ng set na to. It was an error again on the side of the CBSUA Buffalo. So need talaga bawasan ng error from this side of this set.
21-5. 4 more points to secure their second set win para dito sa NCF. Pipino to serve.
It was an error on the side of the NCF Lady Tigers. So the point will be given on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. The score is 21-6. Lamang pa rin naman ng NCF Tigers on this set.
Crucial service error on the side of Buffaloes. And now Antang stepping on the service line to serve. 22-6 is our score. 3 more points to secure their second set win. CBSUA will try for the attack. And successful on that one. Good spike para sa last sequence na yon on the side of their team. And now, jersey number 2 on deck to serve. Abitria will try Antonyong Libero ng Buffaloes. And an attack error, unfortunately, on the side of CBSUA Buffaloes. 3 point will be given on the side of NCF.
Deck to serve jersey number 10 on the side of the NCF Ladies Tigers. Dug by the libero on the side. Good spike. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Nagawa ng paraan. It was a free ball on the side of the NCF.
But Servidad killing that one and bring their team to the set point para dito sa ating second set.
We are now on set point 24-7. It was a out on the side of the NCF Lady Tigers. Deck to serve jersey number 8 on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes.
Servidad. One more time for Abitria this time and ending this with that down the line hit. And that's the end of our second set. 25-8 is our score. We will be right back for our third set. Only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Gonzales, sarong aktor. Kasurog kang kalikasan. Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education.
We are back here sa loob ng NCF covered court for our third set. At dalawang set na nga ang naipanalo dito ng NCF Tigers. So what would be the adjustment and the game plan on the side of CBSUA Buffaloes to snatch a win or snatch a set para dito sa ating laro and prolong this matchup between these two teams. So yan ang aabangan natin dito sa ating pangatlong sets.
We will see on this game if makakabawi ang CBSUA Buffaloes. And, you know, Rick, kailangan talaga nila maayos ang receive nila to have a good point.
Buffaloes on the attack. Free ball will be given on the side of the NCF. Great floor defense on both teams. And now, a 1-2 play para dito kay jersey number 19. First point will be given on the side of the NCF Tigers. And speaking of the NCF Tigers, let's call our courtside reporter Dylan to give us an update kung ano ang gagawin pa dito ng NCF Tigers.
Thank you, Rick and Yuji. Sa pagpasok nga ng second set, the Lady Tigers are still maintaining their energy and the strength of their defense and offense. The Lady Tigers are showing us their extraordinary innate strength and the team chemistry that they always have. According to Coach, this is the result of their everyday training. And ayon din nga sa kanya, kailangan pa rin i-remind ang players to why they are playing. And it is to show us what Lady Tigers have and what they can offer for this season. Will the Lady Tigers achieve their goal to win this matchup with 3 straight set, or the CBSUA Buffaloes will manage to bounce back? Yan, tutukan natin yan dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Once again, I am your courtside reporter on the side of the NCF Lady Tigers, Dylan Talagtag, back on the panel.
Thank you for that, Dylan. Sabi mo nga kanina, sabi ni Coach, the good communications and connections inside of the hard court, kailangan nilang ma-execute. Pero for this set, yun yung parang aabangan natin. Pero for the first set, actually pinakita na nila yun. Good dog from the side of the NCF and Spike from the back row of Servidad. And it was actually a good point. And the score is 4-0. On deck to serve is Antang, jersey number 17.
And now, so your update naman sa kabilang side. Let's call our courtside reporter Precious. Ano ang update on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes?
Maraming salamat to Rick and Yuji. Down to the last set, the CBSUA Lady Buffaloes are still on hold of opportunities to secure a win against our Lady Tigers. During the huddle, the team were uplifted na huwag mawalan ng pag-asa to bounce back fiercely, mata sa bola at malakas na enerhiya sa bawat segundo. The Lady Buffaloes remains resilient amidst the happenings dahil alam nila na may kaya silang ibigay sa larong ito. So, let's continue to show support to the both teams as they strive to ace this matchup. That's all for now. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Yuji.
Thank you for that, Precious. Honestly, this game is a crucial point kasi 3 sets na. So, kailangan bumawi ng CBSUA Buffaloes and they need to compose themselves and teamwork again and good communications to have a good point and good receive to the setter. On deck to serve again, Antang, jersey number 17.
(7-0) is our score. And Antang with that service ace. What a serve on the side of the NCF Tigers. And a timeout was pressed on the side of CBSUA Buffaloes. Because again, 8-0 na naman po ang ating scoreboard. And hindi dapat hayaan dito ng CBSUA Buffaloes na mas lalo pang lumaki ang kalamang hawak ng NCF. Because again, 2 sets na ang naipapanalo nitong NCF. And if they continue to dominate this third set, pwedeng maging 3 straight sets nga na panalo ang makuha ng NCF. But I'm sure babawi dito itong CBSUA Buffaloes because hindi pa tapos. Medyo mahaba-haba pa itong tatrabuhuyan ng dalawang kupunan. So anything can happen for these both teams.
Totoo nga, bilog ang bola. So the CBSUA Buffaloes on the sides is hindi pa huli ang laban. So they have a time pa na, you know, to have a good point na make a good attack para magkaroon ng score.
Tama ka dyan. Yan ang aabangan natin dito, UG, sa ating CBSUA Buffaloes. And now, back set to Servidad, and Servidad successful on that last hit.
Deck to serve again, Antang, jersey number 17 on the side of the NCF Lady Tigers. Good serve again. Spike by jersey number 4 on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes.
Great defense on the side of Buffaloes. Now on the attack, jersey number 5 will try, and jersey number 5 will score. Wow, Aquino, ginawa ng paraan yung broken play on the side of their team. Again, Antang on deck to serve.
It was a good serve again. Magagawa ng paraan on the side of the CBSUA, pero error ulit siya. So the score or the point will be given on the side of the NCF. The score is 11-0. So need talaga maka-point or makapuntos ang CBSUA Buffaloes.
Buffaloes on the attack, but a free ball will be given on the side of the Tigers. Jersey number 5 will try, and jersey number 5 will catch that end line.
On deck to serve again, jersey number 17, Antang on the side of the NCF Lady Tigers. Good serve and good receive by the libero of the CBSUA Buffaloes, pero nagawa ng paraan. Pero it was an error shot or spike of the side of the CBSUA. And again, the score will be given on the side of the NCF Lady Tigers. The score is 13-0.
Again, CBSUA, they need to wake up at this moment and get their first point. But unfortunately, again, they're passing. Their first ball is the problem. That's why palagi nakakakuha dito ng ace itong NCF Tigers.
On deck to serve again, jersey number 17, Antang on the side of the NCF, pero nagawa ng paraan ng side of CBSUA Buffaloes. Set to back set to Servidad. It was a good duck on the back. Buhay pa rin ang bola. It was a good spike on the side of the NCF, pero again, na-block actually na middle of the side of the NCF Lady Tigers.
Yes. Great anticipation on the net on that last sequence coming from jersey number 13. And now Antang staying on that service line to serve that ball. Ball is still alive though. Nashon setting up Antang, pipe attack. Ball is still alive. Free ball again on the side of the NCF. 1-2 play. And the ball will continuously roll para dito sa ating rally. But an error. Two touches will be given or will be called on the side of the NCF. Their setter.
On deck to serve, jersey number 10 on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. Again, good receive on the side of the NCF. It was a good spike and in, so it was a point to the NCF Lady Tigers and the score is 16-1. So, kailangan talaga ng CBSUA Buffaloes na mag-cope up kasi malaking lamang na ang nangyayari this set.
Now, Buffaloes on the attack. Nice dig coming from the libero. Soft touch coming from Seguridad. Buhay pa ang bola. Another chance. But andon ulit yung libero. Jersey number 5. Meanwhile, spiking that ball. And CBSUA cannot contain that ball. So the point will go on the side of the NCF Tigers.
Serving on the side of the NCF Lady Tigers, jersey number 19. It was a good serve and it was an ace and score on the side of the NCF Lady Tigers. So kailangan talaga magkaroon ng good first ball sa side naman ng CBSUA Buffaloes.
Yes. Yan nga yung nakikita natin ditong main problem. They're passing their first ball. They need to be consistent if they want to have a score. And again, setting error on the side of NCF. Lifting violation was called on the side of the Tigers. Buffaloes to serve.
Good receive. Pero nagawa pa rin ng paraan na NCF Lady Tigers. And spike on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. And it was an error of two lifting on the side of the NCF Lady Tigers.
Yes, a lifting violation was called on the side of NCF. But this time, Seguridad.
It was a no blockers on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes and it was a great point naman sa NCF Lady Tigers and the score is 19-3.
Yes. Now, NCF on deck to serve. Good first ball this time, but a free ball on the side of NCF. Seguridad for that down the line hit. Very activated on the side of NCF. Let's take a look on that instant replay. Seguridad finding that down the line to get a score on their side. 23 is our score.
Good receive on the side of the CBSUA and a good spike per dog at the back of the side of the NCF Lady Tigers and spike by jersey number 4 on the side of the NCF and it was a good point.
Now 4 more points to secure their win this evening on the side of the NCF. Jersey number 13 again to serve. Buffaloes on the attack, but an attack error on their side.
On deck to serve on the side of the NCF Lady Tigers, jersey number 13. Let's see kung makakapuntos again ang CBSUA Lady Buffaloes.
An attack error on the side of NCF. So, point will go on the side of the Buffalo. Now Buffaloes to serve, jersey number 4. Good serve. Jersey number 5 on the attack. Nice dig coming from the Buffalo side. Free ball. And now set up to Antang. Pipe attack for her. Great dig. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Now Servidad will try. Nice defense on the side of Buffaloes. Another opportunity sa NCF to score. And Servidad with her favorite spot, that down the line hit.
Ganda ng connections ng setter and also the opposite spiker on the side of the NCF Lady Tigers. On deck to serve again, jersey number 5.
Jump serve. And service error for her. So Buffaloes now has the chance to add their score here with this serve. Buffaloes on the attack. An attack error. Unfortunately, that leads the NCF to their match point. 24-5 is our score. Servidad on deck to serve.
We are now on the set point, 24-5. Again, we are now on match point.
Yes.
On the side of the NCF Lady Tigers kontra din sa CBSUA Lady Buffaloes. On deck to serve, jersey number 12 on the side of CBSUA Lady Buffaloes. It was a good serve.
Yes. Chance for their team here to score. But free ball naman ang ibibigay dito sa NCF. And with that, Antang ending this with that cross-court hit. 25-6 is our score. 3 straight set win para sa NCF kontra CBSUA Buffaloes. And with that, NCF Tigers road to championship against the UNC Greyhounds. So aabangan natin dito ang bakbakan ng dalawang kupunan na ito. When we come back, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark.
And our best player of the game is brought to us by Naga College Foundation, home of the champion, leap into the future. And beside me is our best player of the game, jersey number 2, Chris Santa Servidad, with 19 points, 16 attacks, and 3 service aces. Congratulations on your big win and for making it to the finals. So, paano nyo paghahandaan ang bakbakan against the UNC Greyhounds?
Siguro po, namin sa training araw-araw po, then alam namin po na UNC namin ang makakatapat namin. Like, alam na pinaghahanda talaga namin yung UNC. Pero, di kami nagkukumpiyansa na kami ang mag-uwi ng champion. So, kaya dapat ipaglaban namin yan.
And aasahan din ang Tigers community na maibabalik ulit sa NCF yung title ng Bucal. So, shout out mo naman ang lahat ng mga nakasuporta at nakatutok ngayon sa inyong laro.
Hi sa pamilya ko, hi pamilya Servidad, hi sa Lopera family, and hi sa girlfriend ko, hi Ina.
Ayan, congratulations on your big win.
Hi Ma, hi Pa, Alex.
Ayan. Again, our best player of the game, Servidad. And that's the end of our match. Congratulations to Naga College Foundation for making it back to the finals and to defend their title. For more action, talaga aabangan pa natin ang iba't ibang volleyball action dito sa Bucal Season 6. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
At ako rin si Eugene Nueva.
At abangan pang iba't ibang games here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampyon.